Anyways, guys, you guys are not blind, and it's quite obvious that you guys see like what's going on, what time it is, what's up. I don't feel like I need to come and say, oh, me and this person not together, me and this person not friends, me and this person. I don't need to do none of that. Okay, it is what it is. Shit happens. New phase in my life now, and I am a fake friend and all that. Anyways, guys, so the one by one song, I finally get a beat feed. The beat sound good, but I don't gonna hear it, but I'm gonna hear it because I'm using the phone that it was sent to. I got studio tomorrow if you go finish the song, and you eat a lot. Oh yeah, you're asking. Yes, I do eat a lot. Me eat a lot for true. Sometimes me no. I mean, I don't want to change the concept of it because everybody love it. Yeah. A lot of you guys don't know, but me and Jabass did not plan to change our names. It was a dare, and it was only for 7 days. The 7 days is over. My name is the official at the end of the day. Whoever here knows that it was a dare. He got a lion to change his name to the husband. I got a lion to change my name to Jabass' wife. He got his lion first, I got mine after. So it was a dare. It's not like the both of us came together and be like, okay, we're going to change our names. It wasn't like that. It was a dare. People dare we for do it on TikTok, and we did it. Today is the 7th day, so the names can be changed, and we changed back our names. That's literally it. It's not a big deal, guys. It's not a big deal. Are you single? Ah, boy. More asleep. I was going to go do my hair and go out later. Unfortunately, I'm never going to put my hair to them. I forgot to do it tomorrow because... Guys, so the 28th, which is Saturday, I even realize it's so fast. The month ago so fucking fast. The 28th is Amora's. Amora's. The 28th, guys, is the wig sale at my shop. Wigs them start as low as 8,000 Jamaican dollar. You cannot afford to miss that. So that's where I'm going to be Saturday. I'm going to be at the store for that. Man, so good. Thank you. Thank you, Monster. My shop is on Elite Mart, shop 45. Fuck. Which number my shop be again? Yeah, my shop is shop 45 on Elite Mall. All type of wig. This one I have on. Let me show you guys another wig from the collection. Give me a minute. Amora, she's right here. She's sleeping. You know me, Amora, par. Yes, I do promotion. Tell me if you not see me good or if the live is breaking up, because I don't know. I did my lashes today. I don't know what the best do my lashes. I did my eyebrows too. I got my eyebrows waxed. I did my nails yesterday. And you know what's funny? I didn't even remember that I have the big event coming up. I never did remember that I have the event that come up Saturday. A good thing say somebody call me and tell me say they want one of the wig them and them bring the money come give me to buy the wig. I say twice the girl me really depend that, you know. My eyebrows were for $5,000 and my lashes, this set is for $6,000. This is one of the new wigs, and as I told you guys, this wig is also from the collection. And when we say cheap and reasonable, I mean cheap and reasonable. When I cannot go wrong. So I was planning to put on this, but I might change my mind. The reason why I want to put on black wig is black can literally wear with anything to go anywhere. You understand? But see there, the parting space is big. When me say the ear soft, the ear soft, the ear full, and the sale is gonna be on the 28th at my shop. When me say the girl I gonna have over 200 wigs, me mean she I gonna have over 200 wigs. So if you come from far or you come from near, wigs are going to be there. Remember me showing you, where's my other phone? Remember me showing you a couple of wigs which day, and you couldn't believe say the wig them have $8,000. The wig them have $8,000. Let me see if I can get some hotspot on my phone. Nobody can send me some credit. Me put on one service. Me coming tomorrow from Maypen. You cannot come tomorrow. I never tell you tomorrow. I said Saturday, babes. The 28th. If you don't come tomorrow, you're not going to get no wig. You don't have to come Saturday. Tomorrow is what? Friday. You don't have to come when? Saturday. Saturday you don't have to come. Saturday the sale is going to be at the shop. It's not going to be before. Remember, I don't sell wigs. I sell bump and spot removers, hair growth oil, body cream, face cream. I do nails. This is what I do. I do nails. Me do them things. So the 28th of June, which is Saturday, the wigs I'm gonna pass here. I can't show no coming. I have no service on the phone, yeah. Somebody tap me up now, 881663. Me I beg gonna $1,000 credit. Start selling wigs. I don't know. But yeah, I feel like I would go out tonight. I feel like I want to get drunk and dance with somebody. But I don't got nobody to dance with. And I'm definitely not getting drunk tonight, because whenever I get fucking drunk, I act like a fool. So I'm not doing that shit. Y'all know I was drunk last night, right? I was high as fuck. Probably I get drunk. I go home now, probably I buy myself some rum stripe. You don't know rum stripe on my drinks. Yeah, I got drink some rum stripe later, you know? Yeah, me I get drunk. Me not care. Me I frost later and company life comes to the and we'll have vibes, girl. Tap me up, that guys I can show no one go on the phone. Me can't do with the phone just there. I have one iPhone 11 I sell back. Me I sell if you want 30 grand. 30 grand, I'm show no. The front crack and the back crack, but the phone is good all around. It's good all around. Miss Triple, when we reach home, we come back and we play babes. Alright. Come off, yeah? Yeah, baby. Alright, so see it here, it dead. But it'll work on everything. You just have the screen crack up there so and the back crack up. You 20 your mama, hey girl, come on for this. You can't tell me overvalue my things. Come on for blood clot this girl. 8816683, guys. Stop me up so I can show no I go on for the wig them. Nick, what the price for that wig? I didn't want to show them, but I don't remember. Come on. Give away your blood clot. When me did I walk up and down in a hot sun and I sell my blood clot things them. When me have to scream out, me throw it on TikTok for them little promotion them. Also forget my little money. What you mean by give? Me not give enough for free a blood clot. I beg me broke and paparazzi. My shop rent expensive. Me a bartender for pay. Me pick them up for go to school. Me pick them up for eat. And it's me alone. Leave me alone. Alright, you see that we get on my hand, guys? On the look. Good, great. Bombard quality, nice enough. Great quality, and this is for $16,000. See there, nice skin, good 20 inch, 16 grand. And I sat there at the big sale out right down at Elite Mall Shop 45 on the screen record this. See the inside of the wig tan good. We're dry there, we're active there, where the blood clot on there, no. I this enough for screen record and put out. See it there? Nice clean body and so. So I want to put on this and put on the yellow or green one. I don't really want to put on the yellow or green one right now, to be honest, because you don't have to tell me if you stay far from nobody. When me did born, I was not a twin, and me alone come out of my mother hole. Me alone come out of my mother hole. So don't have to tell me if you stay far from nobody, babes. You don't have to tell me if you stay far from a soul. And me alone born out of my mother punash. That's the truth. That's why I like when people send me credit and send me when people send me credit and send me the plan. Because somebody send one plan on the phone and the plan now work. The plan take off the credit. I don't understand. Somebody send me one credit. Thank you. Guys, wanna send me more credit now? Stop me up, man. Every week I got the day. Every week is going to be there. Alright, I'm gonna put that one service now, Henry. How number go again? We have to press *123. How number go? *123 *7. Okay, me I put that one service right now. They may show no one go on. Ladies, you cannot afford to make this miss, so no. The wig I'm just, you see this part of my head is also from Ear by Neat, guys. Look there, the quality is top tier. I don't know how to see the quality of the wig, you know, but the top tier. If me have one man a dry in this a night time, it would have bad. I know two blood clot bad. But for girl get up every day, I fix up self. It don't make no sense, you know. Every day me get up, me I fix up self. Nails nice. My nails nice. Ear dope. Lash pretty. Eyebrows done. And I get no cock in my hole. No, sir. Something must be wrong. Then, oh, my cloth. Alright. Turn on this now. Y'all, I like you a ballerina. Yeah, I'm very sexual, you know. I like having. I'm very sexual. I'm a horny person. Yes. Bad. Me love man. Like dog. I'm in love with a stripper. 5K, 8K. Oh, them have so much viewers. Yeah, me don't really like your friend. Him move like him a Batman. Your friend look like he want man push cocky in all of him all them. Me don't really like him. Either racist or him gay. One out of the two. I'm not like him. Me like the Batman them with proud and loud and nice and calm and sweet and cute. And me don't really like you and them with going like that little shit can't make party. Can't work. Guys, I put on the service and the phone start move weird now. I don't have the poster in the phone here, you know. I the media I can use. Girl, I like you, I'm a ballerina. I must Aisha phone this. Appear she in it. I walk with some. yeah, it's my time now to be outside. I feel like I need to start living outside of Jamaica. I feel like being in Jamaica, you're put in this little tiny box that everybody's in. I feel like it's my time to start fly out and explore other cultures, other just explore and just learn new stuff about new people and stuff like that. You feel me? Mind you, like don't wrong. Like I love being an influencer. I love stuff like that. I love my supporters. I really do. Like Uno. Wipe on her hand. And that's the reason why I never come even answer Annie, because I feel like this lady is such a lying person. The woman said me tell lie on her last night. She said me tell lie on her last night. And me I said to myself, say, me tell lie on you last night. Say you cuss me. More than I said to you, I'm not cursing for you because you have a whole tribe and if you make a tribe cuss for you. When we did over your war with the girl them, me only that friend. Nobody never that pick up for me. Me never see nobody a come on live on a class girl. It was just me and me alone argue back with them. Everybody else to share the screen with me, but ain't nobody had shit to say. I was the only one defending my fucking self. And mind you, these girls aren't on, they don't have big pages on social media. So, uno could have cussed them back. But nobody never do that. So me just tell myself, so watch out certain things, me just try to walk far from right now, guys. You have to understand, say, I already have a case. If you're my friend, if you are my friend, I used to say me I try to avoid problem. You would understand, because here's the thing. I have an ongoing case. I was fucking locked up. When I was locked up, who bailed me? Who bailed me? Are you guys forgetting that I am out on fucking bail? Did you guys forget that? So why the fuck would I want to be on TikTok cursing people, warring with people, knowing say bail me the out pan if anything at me right now? Which one I wanna go run come help and take care of my children? Them who gonna come do it for me? Nobody, bro. Remember say me in a war with people in a real fucking life. Real life me in a war with people, youth. So at the end of the day, when you see me the righteous me, I said to you, say, bro, me not cuss for nobody, me not argue about nobody. But just hold my own. If you're not my friend, you would understand that. One buck life, you come in. Hey, black that girl there now. Black that girl there. Girl, I pay me get paid for the promotion. That feed me and my pitney them. So you're not going to come on my life, come and call spam, your blood clot, sitting. You're tired of in, girl? Hey, on the black car now? Black car for me there, please. You see, she did it 1 or 2 times, more the trouble her. But she just a spam. Go pay for promotion, man. Pay for promotion. But I would the fuck with mama. Nee, me not find nothing in a girl. I go by Instagram. My phone now load up. Probably I wish for me park. Because the floor fuck me up. Yeah, me did I say more and go out later. It's a can't me I need conversation. Something I'm turn on my airplane mode and turn it back. Hey baby, what's up? So yeah, like you and a wife again. Let your mind do a little thing. Anything you tell your mind. I'm sorry. Exactly. I don't know if people are like say growth from people, but I'm trying to grow. Do y'all think I was proud of myself when I come out here the other day and I bring down my ex-husband? I'm not proud of that. When I take my proud for come out and have to argue with two girls and me did have and I'm a fucking wing take from a friend. Had them in my house, had them in my vehicle up and down, have them I wear my clothes, my wig, every fucking thing. And have a company media come bring them down and argue with them. I don't. I'm not proud of things like that. So when me realize that something going on and I can stay out of it and not have my name ringing all over the place, and that is what I'm going to choose. That's the road that I'm going to go. If it doesn't involve me and I don't need to be a part of it, I'm not going to run and jump to be a part of it. And that are just that. If that makes me a fake friend, then I am a fake friend. If that makes me a hypocrite, then I am a hypocrite. And that's just what it is at the end of the day. I have no problem being that. I'm trying to be on the media and motivate young females to make them know, say, just like me, when you start to bring my baby, them go work when me I pay $4,000 per week for my station. A Mandeville where me used to do only eyebrows. I taught myself how to do eyebrow, and mind you, me never have no customer them time there. Cause I could even do it so good and I never have no platform to promote myself. But I kept going and I kept pushing and I kept believing in myself. And the same social media people used to bring me down pan. I remember one time when people used to come over here come cuss me. I said, boy girl, a 2-burner stove you use for cook. You remember? Me I use 2-burner stove and I cook in a people kitchen when me used to rent house. And now me have a 4-burner in my own house. Tell me if that is not something that young females can look up to and say, bro, the moms ya got through it and the moms ya push and the moms ya push and the moms ya push. So me I go follow the moms ya because something what she do must inspire me at one point. If you do better in her life and if you keep pushing and if you keep going and if you keep thriving. That is the inspiration that I want to be on TikTok. Me having your back off the media is more of a friend than me having your back on the fucking media. I'm coming to argue with everybody. Because like it or not, Annie is going to curse. And that's how we don't understand. So when me I go do now, everybody when Annie come out, come cuss, me have to go cuss with them too? No. I'm only going to be on TikTok as a fucking bitter individual. I don't want that for myself, bro. I don't want that for myself. I do not. Destiny was one of the person on this app where anybody said the Destiny I come class, yo. I wanna know that too. As you said, the Destiny I run out with gun, machete, knife, every single thing. Destiny I come. And Destiny used to do that for not only me but other people. Until Destiny herself realized that watch here, you can't cuss for everybody, babe. Sometimes you have to allow people make they fight their own a battle. When you realize that from the other day, Destiny not pick up for nobody, Destiny not cuss for nobody, and all them things there. And a change, and a fake Destiny fake, and a hypocrite Destiny hypocrite. Destiny is maturing and realizing that there are better things in life for her right now, and that she had chased. And I so love that for her. I'm so proud of Destiny, yo. Me proud of Destiny. Me love Destiny. Me love Destiny. And nobody can tell me if I don't love Destiny. I love him and I love her. Whatever I know I call him because I don't want to stay. You understand? So because she used to cuss me and she not do it now. When I say she fake and she change and she a pussy. No. She grew up and she understands that there is more to life than fucking TikTok to come argue with people more while it don't make no sense, bro. Think about it. You're over here say you cuss. It's only gonna lead to two things. You're either gonna get banana or you still a come out of the life without gifts. That's it, babes. I promise you, I've been here and I've done it. Me there me cuss on me class. And me no make no money. Me nah do it, girl. Brother for cause sit down and beg me one of me 2 rows them. If me get them, me get them. If me don't get them, I saw me gone about my business. But me now go come over here, come class, and nobody for no TikTok gift. Because I know what it is like for be at the top of the blood clot ladder and drop down a bottom and get up and climb that bumbo clot by myself, go back up there. And me build me, and a media build me. In a real life, in a real life, it's not the media build me, and me do that, babes. I had to find inner peace. I had to find inner growth. Me don't have to do the whole of that. If me never did that grow up, me that class, me ex-husband day and night. Cause he's not in Jamaica. So him not there, you know, if me want to go one party, go shake my foot, me can jump off, he pick them and drive off fast. And him have to watch them. Me can't do that. But me still never come out here, come class him and bring him down and tell him saying gone a foreign and left it 3 picking them for me and them a baby. Me not do that. Because me as a woman have to understand say him have to go look it too. Him have to go there go look life. But if he go there and he look at me say man make money and he not mind them, then me and him. But for now me rest him and me cool him. Cause him have to go out there go look it. If he never did a try, then me da bring him down. But me say him a try for go out there go look it and come back come and youth them. Me a give him the opportunity, the time and the space, and me go and tough it out with me youth them. Cause me and them did good from in the beginning. Me and them be good from in the beginning. Me and them are going to be good in the end. So me not have to kill up myself. I'm not have to come up here and knock pan and make nice. Me a easy and me a go and hold my own. Last night, hold on and tell me, say, cuss Jabass this, Jabass that. And me never do it because what? I don't want a relationship that is on the media. Cindy go suck your mother. Somebody delete Cindy now. Cindy are the only girl in your skin, a bumbuckler teeth and a dentist no over here, girl. Cindy, come out and go on, Cindy. You know, say, we not getting a joke, Cindy, a serious time now. And that with Uno Pani app. Uno follow the people them we can give the most fucking laughter. Uno don't follow the people them we can inspire Uno to do something blood clot good in our life. One to the young girl them out here we want to elevate, we want to learn something. Every day on the summit inspire Uno, me motivate Uno, and me have a $20,000 class to teach Uno a skill. I mean, I see no now in my inbox I look, I tell me say, if you come, Uno want to learn how to do nails, Uno want to learn how to do this. Uno, me say no now I do that. But me see the whole and on my inbox, I tell me if you left that man there, don't there with that man there, left that friend there. The things them want to focus on, no not focus on, bro. Una have to remember, say, watch ya. Education is key, yes, but at the end of the day, having a skill is most important. I have 7 subjects. Me and a pretty dongs. As 7 subjects me have. And if me tell you say my subjects ever feed me, it means a liar. And this feed me the mouth. The mouth of God put in my mouth, the mouth of God put on my face, it feed me. My 7 subjects never blood clot put a meal on my table yet. And my father never waste his money, because he never want to have a pretty dongs. So he did not waste his money. Can me get the subject them? But it's just that say, financially I could not further myself. After my father give me the little push when give me in a life, I'm stuck after high school. Me never have no help for going to college. Me could have gone to 6th farm. I wanted to be a liar. Me could have pursued that because me never have it. See when me turn to, them two something where God give me. You know see me teach myself how to do nails? Did you guys know that? And me teach myself to do nails. Me, that little girl I want to sit down right here, so me teach myself. Me do my own eyelash them. When me realize that me want a customer, me start calling the whole of my friend them phone and tell them, say, watch ya, me a come in your yard, come do your lash them for free, just to get a little video. Just to get a little video for post to say me can do it. Me do everybody around me for free. When me start the nails and the other day, I not have no customer. When me do $3,000 me do nails found, you remember? $3,000. It couldn't even buy back my products, them babes. It could not buy back my products. But I knew that the more I promoted me, the more I pushed me, the more I believed in me, and the higher me gon' go, and the more me I gonna be seen, and the more people gonna trust me for work on them because I have a clientele. Half of the people that me used to do, they never come back. Because them take it for free as my friend them, and then go pay who they want to pay if you do them after. I me never make that bring me down. I me never make that stop me. I me never make that make me feel like me now go make it out. Me still push. Me still post them. Me still talk to them. Me don't unfriend them and me don't give them a bad face and me don't give them a bad vibe. If none of my friends them come out and say, me do them a free service and then go elsewhere and then me pre them after them with a wicked and like, I'm in a stay so, girl. I don't stay so. Follow people who can put substance in on your head. And everybody will come on the live, go suck your mother, go this. When they come off a live, them sad and them lonely and unhappy. I tell you, no, I'm used to do it, girl. Most of the time when I see me come on the live, I click this blood clot. I'm a class all I want, girl. And I really, girl, me want class. I'm myself. Me I beat myself inside. Come here and say, girl, what kind of life this y'all live as a blood clot, big woman? Young green girl was supposed to out there and get fun in a life. And this is sit down yourself, you do. Me so shame of myself, me come on class, everybody pan the blood clot app. I am in a space right now where there is peace. Peace I run up and down in my bumbuckler life in my head. Me comfortable. I'm comfortable. I'm at peace right now. Me not come over here, come war with nobody for nobody. If that make me fake, then I am fake. And we walk with a blood clot flag on my forehead. We say I am fake. Who want hate me, hate me. Who want like me, like me. Who want rate me, rate me. Who want use me, use me. Because me at peace, bro. And me not gonna make none of you take that. A 3 youth me have. When my blood pressure run up high, no march come up my bumbuckler, he'll come wipe my body and make sure say my picking them alright. Una not gonna do it. Una not gonna do it. Me know that they fear fact. Una not do it. Me is one girl that come on this. And if me say to una say, guys, remember the other day, me dash the whole of me picking them clothes and the whole of una know. And una claim so una also love me. And it is not on a job, but me a show a little difference. Other people over here, if them come out and they say, watch a go fund me want to do this, una go fund them. Una not go fund D. So D have to do it for yourself. And because me up my eyes and me see that, me push myself go and me push myself come. Other females fire, them have a different clientele and fan base than I do. Every single body fan base is different. Me have fans who in a my situation too. Them not have it. Them will stop what me pan the app, tap me screen, talk to me. But they not have it for send come give me a help me, so me have to go there and get it for myself. I'm not lucky like some of uno pan ya. So me never come out here, come cuss and bring down people. Because you say when me and uno dog, uno don't feed me and uno don't train me. A dog alone people train. I say sit, roll and blood clot back. I am nobody's dog. I am nobody's dog. So you will not tell me when to jump, not tell me when to shut the fuck up, and not tell me when to roll. I program me. I run my show. You understand? And if me never did a program me in the right and proper part, I would not be 28 fucking years old with my own house, own vehicle, business, 3 kids to 1 man, blood clot, married to the man. Me fuck the second man, fuck me after the blood clot man take my virginity. And when the blood clot boy, after me give this boy so much chances in a life, and me realize say me can't stay faithful and loyal no more because my heart done, my heart can't take it no more, my heart a weak, my heart a ball, me tired. And me go skin out the hole and give somebody else him could deal with me no more. And we go with separate bumbuckler ways. So you see right now which for me there? If me have somebody there and it not work out, it just not working out. You go your ways and me go my ways. We don't have to live bad. We don't have to be enemies. We can still be friends. But you see that pum pum, yeah, it is going to be open, deep and blood clot wide. Because me like have sex. Yeah? Me never used to do it. Want food? No found a woman sit down and sound in a happy relationship. And in a happy relationship. Happy relationship is where your partner just can enjoy each other. Where's the enjoyment? Where's the love in the relationship then what we also have? Where there? It's not there. We say we happy and we uncomfortable. We happy and we uncomfortable. We man them off the road with them friend them for hours. Them now come home. Them now come home. Some of with some man, them that we are way with them, we are way. We not see them, we not hear from them. And we still sit down and have ourselves. So I say, yes, and my man that and the boy love you really? How? Baby, some of the time we stop fool with self, stop kid with self. We need to stop kid with self. We need to stop kid with blood clot self. That's why I'm telling you say right now, which part me in a life. Me I come from one dark place. I'm coming from a place where me lie down in my bed and me no want to get up. Me no want to go bed. Me no want to do my ear. Me no want to fix up. Me want to know if I clock it. Now the other day, how much time when you see me change my wig? Talk the truth. Every minute when you see me go do up my little eyelash. Me do up my little eyebrow. Me have a bag of bumps and spot. Everything start missing. Remember me maga down the other day. I'm a body gone. When I tell me, I say, Jesus Christ, me broke, but me have to see if me can save up and show 2 partner and take a partner money and go do back my blood clot body. Because me not have nobody where me go do. And then me tell myself, say, no girl, you go get up and you go start fix up back. You go start put on a little clothes, you go start go out. You go start enjoy back life. You one can't live some miserable and unhappy and sad. After you know donkey 3 grand in your face. You know ugly? You do ugly. And all if you're ugly, you go ugly and happy. And all if tree in your face, it go stay right there, but you go happy. Because by the hook or the blood clot crook, that girl go move. Remember me tell you that. And one thing me know, if the man for me is not in Jamaica, him in another country, and I'm going to find him. And I'm just being general. Because I know to stay. Me now go sit down and make nobody control my destiny anymore. Nobody will control my happiness. Nobody will control my peace. Nobody. So make me tell you this. I'm going to tell you the last time, guys. If you're there someplace right now and you're unhappy, make a move. Make a move. Y'all gonna feel like are the worst thing y'all gonna do, cause certain things not gonna be there again, but make a move. When me da move on, me start think about picnic. Me start think about who gonna carry them at school. Me start to say, Father God, me can't take you back a driving. Right now between me and Uno, me sit down right as on Thursday and me yaya, me no want ball. Uno feel like me not struggle same way. Uno feel like me not go through it. Girl, me can't want service. I don't know which path to turn, girl. Me can't want service and I don't know if to turn. I never me used to do them things for myself.
Yes.
Me shocks them want change, girl. I don't know who to call. Girl, me start work back on my house, girl. Me start work back on my house. And me pay the man them for dig down the back and the man them dig it down like a bumbuckler matches box. Girl, the settee could have spin in the house, girl. But if me have one man on my foot, the man would have see that and he would have said, no, don't dig it down good, don't pay them yet, babes, hold off a little bit and make the people them dig down the place properly. So you don't feel like there's certain little things where one man we did it for you, you're not going to miss them and not going to want them for. But at some point in a life, we have to just understand, say, at time to move from your so, it'll go rough your fuck, but you go happier. You go happier. Me I tell you. Me in my house, me just take off all of my clothes and me just lie down and me just spread out so. And sleep comfortable. If I want to drink something, I can drink it and now med say, the boy I go say, oh, you're junkie, are you this, are you that? If I want to put on one nice sexy body rider, I can put on a little nice sexy body rider and go on out a road. Some of the times we not impress nobody. We don't want to impress nobody, girl. I could have had a bigger body, I could have a bigger breast, but through me that impress my husband, because him say don't do it too big, make sure say it not obvious, rare. Me not bother OD. If I was pleasing myself, of course, me da put a little more something on the ass round there. Yeah. But at the same time, me and my mind and my heart and my soul, I say me not look nobody. So me just do it, me have to do for please the both of us. And at them thing that sometimes you do what you do for blood clot, please man, please blood clot man. And when the man done pleasing about him business as somebody else out there, you know what hurt when you fix a blood clot man for somebody else. Nothing at so. Nothing bun more than you sit down with blood clot man and go through much bumble clot fuckery and you fix the boy. And as somebody else get him. Nothing bun so. Me I tell you no. But we have to strong up ourselves. We have to strong up ourselves and understand, say, listen to me, girl. Listen blood clot to me, girl. If blood clot Eva, Adam did listen to God, we'd have better off right now. Half of them things that would not go on. If someone would listen to we mother, we father, we'd have better off in a life right now. None of them things that would not go on. But listen to me, I your story, I saw it did for go. Girl, I saw it did for go. Boy, I saw it did for go. It never did for go no other way, girl. Me did supposed to get born. I saw me I learn self-worth. Because me never know self-worth. I'm not asking that tell me I told you me never know self-worth. Me never know how much me worth. Until now, me know how much me worth and me know me deserve. Me know me worth, girl, and me know me blood clot deserve. Me make any boy happy. any blood clot boy me make happy. Cause one thing me know if to sit down pan cocky good. And me know if you good advice. And me can cook. And me is a girl if me see me man want something and me have it that the boy they get it. Cause nothing are too good for me, gear man. Me a one man, me put my whole life on pause just to make a boy comfortable. And if me never did stop and sit down now and I look back and I say, what wait there? If you are going to make a boy comfortable, a boy have to make you comfortable too, you know. So here we go on now. Next man where you are going to deal with, you're not deal with that man there out of guilt. You're going to deal with that man there because you want him. Because be mindful. My man me did deal with, you know. Me just never did feel like, say, him for the other point there in our life right now a struggle. And me and him did a struggle together. And me up here so and if he left him down here so. So me I carry him with me now, understand? So me and him I build future together. But you see because him I get it bumbuckler easy, him fuck it up. Him get it easy. Him never have to battle it out and fight it out like me. So when me reach now and the boy come and I get, the boy go fuck it up. See, you see, new man now, if you don't have a vehicle, if you don't have a business, if you don't have... Hey, boy, I'm going to kill you with me gun, you know, friend. Yeah, me just the body live. Yeah, you hear me down the yard? Oh, we had to think something to me. That's me good, man. I'd live me the pun. Aye, bro. Yes, where me I come from? So, most of the times, them female, we love a man, but we have to love a man enough to walk away. So some of the times, you are your man's downfall. And your man is your downfall. And you want to know why we not each other downfall? We love each other too much till we start watch blood clot each other. Make we see who go and wash the plate them today. Make we see who go and buy grocery this week. Make we see this, make we see that. Left the boy alone. He have to blood clot do it without you. And the minute he start do it without blood clot you, he's going to know your worth. Because sometimes when he come in and he tell and he can't wash plate, he going to say, if the day I would have wash the blood clot plate them, the boy going to start learn worth. Yes, man. He must start learn worth. Me start learn worth. So me know me deserve. And me is nobody to come and preach to none of you. Cause enough shit me accept from man. Enough. Me accept enough shit from man. Even right now. Because me I tell myself say I don't want to be one of the women them when a man can just pipe and I say me fuck you. So right now me I tell myself say if me I talk to a guy, even if it's hard to deal with them, me I go still try to tough it out and work with the boy because me no want to be one of that woman where every man can say me fuck you, me fuck you, me fuck you. Me I try to just hold me own. But how are you going to find the man when I go say, me fuck you, and the man where I go say, I want to fuck you for the rest of my life? How are you going to find that man? How we are going to find him? So at some point, we have to put on pride, and we have to just tell ourselves, say, dog, if a few boys have to call me name, make them call it. Because I saw me I go find the right guy. That's how I start looking at things now. Because at the end of the day, why sit down with somebody, be unhappy for all of your life, bro? Be unhappy for all of your life. And then, what is your reward at the end of the day? Either he dies, you die, and you still not find true happiness, you still not find self-worth. You live your whole of your life timid and afraid. You're afraid of exploring. So we get up every day and I say, me never name pocket. I'm one, I can speak on this because this is a fact for me. Me will sit down around table and somebody will approach me and say, the menu is pork, chicken. My first response, me not name pork. Why me not eat pork? Because I grew up seeing my parents not eating pork. So I truly don't know if I eat pork. I've never tried it. So I don't know if eating pork is something that will satisfy me. Because I never try it. And because me so bent in my ways, me nah near it. Some of the times we have to experience new things and try new things, bro. Because you never know what is going to be good for you. May I tell you now. You're not going to know what's good for you. Guys, when I say poor, I'm not being literal. I'm being... That's like explaining to you guys. I'm not being... I don't mean I'm poor. Because I'm not going to eat pork. Don't get me wrong. Okay? I'm poor. I'm just telling you guys that trying something new sometimes is not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. That's basically it. So, my message to Annie, you can screen record this, because this is my message to Annie. My message to Annie is this. Screen record this. Tell me when you're ready. I want everybody to post it because I need her to get this fuck. Wasn't going to address it, but I feel like I need to. So tell me if you guys are recording, because me need enough to post it, because I ain't saying this shit twice. Wanna ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Not you, baby, not you. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Dear Annie, you are a strong individual, but you are very easily manipulated. Let me explain. You don't take the time out to think about what a person is actually saying versus what they mean. Okay. Somebody can say, if you throw salt on a frog, the frog will go dead. That person cannot say it and them not mean so the frog will go dead, because everybody know if you throw salt on a frog, the frog now go dead. It will hurt the frog, but the frog is not going to die. So some of the times them, you have to think before you respond. I was not attacking you nor your family, and I will not do it. You want to know why? I was around you, and I see that you can be a sweet soul. You can be a very sweet person. So I'm not going to attack you. I'm going to encourage you. I'm going to encourage you and tell you that you are beautiful and you are strong. But on every pan knock, Annie, you fi dance. On every pan knock, you fi dance. Sometimes you leave things and you let them play out. You leave things and you let them play out. Because some of the time somebody says something, it is not to hurt you, baby. It is to help you. People will say something sometimes, it is not to hurt you, it is to help you. But the way they said it, it can come across the wrong way. Moving forward, I wish you nothing but the best. I wish your family nothing but the best. And all I can say to you right now is check on your health, because where your pressure is very high, and it can lead to something that I know you're not ready for. And when that thing happens, you won't even know. You have beautiful kids that I know will love to have their mother around for a very long time. So the time you're here on TikTok arguing for people that aren't picking up back for you, go and sort out your health, because that is important. And that is all I have to say to Annie. I have nothing else to say to her. He could have classed me from now till next year, and he have blood pressure, and I don't want nothing to do to Annie. So I will not click a live and come over here, come bring her down and class her and force her to come set up her blood pressure and hurt herself. And I feel like that makes me a friend. I thank you. Alright, between me and somebody can wanna give me something? They're gonna want $100. I'm sitting here on the live for a long time, I'm not getting no. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. I will baby this. You love me?
Yeah.
I love you too.
I love you too.
You love me too?
Yeah.
Make sure, you know. Oh. Thank you. Make sure you love me.
Food. Food. Mommy.
Alright guys.
Food.
It makes you say dog now. Hey, Bumba,